Thank you for joining me and watching this video. Terima kasih kerana bersama saya dan menonton video ini. My name is Zurati Dalimi. This video is suitable as a revision for small and medium entrepreneurs as well as accountancy students. The accounting cycle can be divided into 6 steps. Step number 1. Identify transaction. Collect the source documents that need to be recorded as receipts or invoices and entry adjustment. Step number 2. Prepare journal entries. Record the transactions in the journal in chronological order. Step number 3. Post to general ledger. Post the journal entries to the ledger accounts. Step number 4. Prepare the adjusted trial balance. Step number 5. Create financial statements. And step number 6. Post closing entries. If we are using an accounting software, the calculations and to generate financial statement are done automatically, which reduces error and time and helps you keep accurate records. But in this video, I am going to show the process of recording accounting figures from step 1 to step 4 only with examples. I will use the T accounts format, which is to record raw data manually and not using accounting software. So that the title of my video is How to Record the Journal Entries and Post to General Ledger T accounts format with examples. Welcome back. To make it easier to understand when introduce debits and credits on T account in the general ledger, they are first to record using special forms known as journal. A journal is the first place information is entered into the accounting system, similar to a diary for a business. Journal used to record the economic transaction in sequential order by date. Let's look at how we write on a journal. When filling a journal, there are some formats you need to follow to improve journal entry. You can write on a book or using a spreadsheet like Microsoft Excel. Set up your journal page. Begin a new journal page by dividing the page up into 4 columns. In the first column is the date of when the transaction occurred, followed by the account names and descriptions. In Accounting Office, we will add another 1 column for journal reference number for easy reference with the hard copy documents in our filing system. For examples, JV0121/01, JV0121/02, and so on. Column number 3 is debit. You will have at least 1 debit or possibly more. And the last column is credit. The credit account title always comes after debit titles was entered and will be indented and at least 1 credit or possibly more. Here is a new business example. My new business, Zurati Private Limited, for the first month in January 2021. On the 1st January 2021, Zurati was started a company for selling drone. Zurati invested cash $50,000 to start the business. Now I start to write the transaction in the journal one by one. In the date column, I write 1st January 2021, debit cash $50,000, credit capital Zurati $50,000. The description, to record cash investment by Zurati. Take note that you will write a short description after each journal entry. This only needs to be enough information to accurately remind you where the money came from or why it was spent. Skip a space after the description before starting the next journal entry. 4th January 2021, bought a car for $40,000 in full bank loan. I write the transaction in the journal on 4th January 2021. Debit fixed asset car $40,000. Credit bank loan car $40,000. The description to record purchase a car on credit. 5th January 2021, bought petrol for cash $30. I write on the journal 5th January 2021, debit expense petrol $30, credit cash $30. Description to record car expense. On 6th January 2021, bought on credit 5-unit drone for stock costing $200 each from Fly Private Limited. Debit stock $1,000, credit Fly Private Limited $1,000. Description: purchase 5-unit drone times $200 each on credit. On the 12th January 2021, sold 1-month credit terms 2 units drones to Peter for $300 each. So I debit Peter $600, credit sales $600. The description: to invoice credit sales $300 times 2 units drone. On the same date with this sale, I took out 2-unit drones from my stock and handed over to Peter. So I debit cost of goods sold $400, credit stock $400, and the description: deliver drone to Peter 2 units times $200 cost price each. On the 15th January 2021, sold on cash 1-unit drone for $300 each. On the journal, I debit cash $300, credit sales $300. Description: cash sale $300 times 1-unit drone. On the same date for this cash sale, I took out 1-unit drone and handed over to the purchaser. So I debit cost of goods sold $200, credit stock $200 with description: cash sale. The total 8 ledger accounts for the month of January 2021. Take note that the dollar value of the debit must equal to the dollar value of the credits, or else the equation will go out of balance. After completed 1-month business transaction in January 2021, follow with the process of copying from the journal to the ledger is called posting. In this process, I will place each relevant account ledger under the group according to the accounting equation: assets equal to liabilities plus equity. Look at the T accounts double entry with the red line box. From journal number 1, debit cash $50,000 under asset, credit capital Zurati under equity. From journal number 2, debit fixed asset car $40,000, credit bank loan car $40,000. From journal number 3, debit expenses petrol $30, credit cash $30. From journal number 4, debit stock $1,000, credit Fly Private Limited $1,000. From journal number 5, debit Peter $600, credit sales $600. From journal number 6, debit cost of goods sold $400, credit stock $400. From journal number 7, debit cash $300, credit sales $300. And from journal number 8, debit cost of goods sold $200, credit stock $200. This is the completed general ledger for the month of January 2021. The general ledger can be displayed in many different ways. but the concept is still the same. Ledger summarizes the balances of the accounts in the chart of accounts. Once all journal entries have been posted to T accounts, we can check to make sure the accounting equation remains balanced. From this general ledger, the total asset is $91,270. The total for liabilities is $41,000. And the total for equity is $50,270. Now we have the T account information and have confirmed the accounting equation remains balanced. The next step in accounting cycle is to create the adjusted trial balance. But I will share this topic with you in my next video. Don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. You will easily receive a notification for my new video. Stay healthy, stay safe, and stay positive. Thank you for watching this video.